So we are at the Portland Arch in Indiana, Covington, Indiana. And we've never been here before. It's small and the bugs are already bad. So we'll see how the trail goes. There's another one right there. This is like all straight down on rocks and roots. Coming up on some canyons though. The limestone, kind of like Turkey Run in a way. And shades. Nice little bridge here. Went over all this. Nice little stream. So this is a nature preserve, which means it's all protected. There's all this rock here. Very, very muddy. I think they got boards down here. Oh. That everyone comes to and walks through. Looks like it could be. It comes out to more of the canyon here. And over on this side. Oh, it's all blown out. There we go. So this looks like it's the Portland Arch here then. So it's not too big. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. I didn't think I was going to be able to walk under it. It's nice though. I dig it. So I follow this little trail from the arch over here. It comes through and it kind of opens out into the stream here. It's pretty cool. It's very quiet here. There was only 2 cars in the parking lot. So being a nature preserve, I don't think it's going to be as busy. And it's a Wednesday, so. It's just weird looking. Like maybe a possible bridge at one point. But I don't know why it'd be a bridge there because there's nothing over there.
Maybe it started something?
The rock is just like at Turkey Run though. Like the color. I definitely came through here with a weed whacker. As soon as you stop a little bit, the bugs are just crazy. So, but more rock over there. You can see it opening up a little bit. All that rock right there. See where this trail leads. Definitely man-made. Off trail. Let's go to the river here. I don't know if you guys can see all the bugs just flying around. It's crazy. It's crazy. I took the time to cut this out of the wood here, like a front door mat you stand on from this tree. Texture of this rock is awesome. But now, kind of on the overlook here. There. And now we're up here. Trail this way. You guys hear that owl right there? Maybe you guys can see him if he turns around here. There he goes. There he goes. Somebody needs to explain that to me. They're like chars that are like it broke in half and it just kind of formed into it, I guess. Huh. Owl in the corner right at the end, so that was cool. But I don't even think this trail's a mile long. Well, we got to see deer, got to see a couple chipmunks, and we got to see an owl. I wasn't able to get the noises of the owl, but at least we got to see it. So make sure you register yourself in a little pamphlet. We are on the second page here. Since we're in the area, go to Williamsport Falls, which is kind of weird road block here. And there's like, it's not really hiking, they're just kind of going down into the little thing here. And the waterfall's there. It says it's the highest waterfall. I don't know, because Clifty has some really high waterfalls. There's like no trail down here. You gotta actually walk the creek. So if this was any higher, we wouldn't be able to cross. There it is. There's a lot of people here though. So this is pretty cool though. Very high up. It's definitely weird being behind it. Very loud. Looks like Ellie's getting in the water. Here comes Ellie, all the way over. Should we go back up this way? Ellie's the guinea pig. Well, it's cool to see the falls and that tiny little trail and seeing the owl. So that was it. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a short video. Going up this hill and breathing hard. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.